What production equipment is used for? The kitchen sinks we use every day. Let us understand its production process together today. The first is the pressing sink. We have automatic and semi-automatic pressing sink production lines. This is an annealing furnace equipment, which is mainly used to produce some special shaped sink. One-piece sink with a relatively deep depth and a relatively small angle. We use a hydraulic press to punch 4 corners of the sheet, pressing, forming, cutting edge, and other processes. The punching equipment used here is used for the punching process of the sink. Here is the surface treatment workshop, which is used to polish the surface of the product. The final product is packed and stored in the warehouse.